Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. Today's class we are going to discuss tenses. Different ways in which the future continuous tense can be used. Future continuous tense refers to those verbs that are going to happen in future and are going to continue for some time particular. The future continuous tense is a verb tense that shows an action happening over a period of time in the future. Look at the form of future continuous tense. How to form the tense? Subject plus will be plus verb in the ing form. The verb which we are using should be in ing form. If you use the verb eat, it should be in the form of eating. Look at these examples. I will dance. I will be dancing. I will dance is a simple future tense. I will be dancing is future continuous tense. When you use simple future tense, the action is uncertain. It is uncertain. It may happen or may not happen. But when you use future continuous tense, I will be dancing means certainly at a particular time in the future you will be dancing. On that time for sure you are going to dance. So when you use simple future tense, there is not certainty. It's not true. It may happen or it may not happen. But when you use future continuous tense, it will happen for sure. Look at the example. I will be going to the movies tomorrow. It means for sure you are going to watch movie tomorrow. Look at the difference of these tenses, simple future tense and future continuous tense. I'll be going to the movies tomorrow means for sure you are going to watch the movie. I will go to the movies tomorrow means there is no certainty. You may go or you may not go to watch the movie. So, in the future, at a particular time, if you are sure to do the action for a period of time, you have to use future continuous tense. Look at this example. I won't be going to the party tonight. Will your parents be coming to the party tonight? It's a question. Rani will be eating the cake later. For sure, he will eat the cake. Who will be waiting for Rani at the railway station? It's a continuous action. Waiting is a continuous action. This action is going to happen in the future for some period of time. This continuation will be occur a short time. My friends will be coming for lunch tomorrow. For sure, my friends will come for lunch tomorrow. We will not be working on Saturdays. When you are talking about days, preposition on. We have to use on before days. We will not be working on Saturdays. For sure, we will not be working. So, when you are sure that a particular action is going to happen in the future for a shorter amount of time, short period of time, you have to use future continuous tense. Hope this video is useful for you. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.